Dealing with a slow PC can sometimes be a total headache. Coming up in Alpha Creations, I'll share with you 5 common mistakes that makes our PC run slow, with some solutions. If you wish to learn more, let's get started. Coming up for number 1 is the Windows Startup program. To get this, right click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager. With this box open, these are the current programs running on this machine. Head straight up to the startup, and as you can see, the last BIOS time of this PC, that is 4.6 seconds. These are all startup programs of this PC, and as you can see on their status, each and every program is disabled. If all you do is to shut down your PC and never restart it on a regular basis, this goes a very long way, making your PC very slow. Choosing to restart your PC instead of shutting it down actually flashes your computer RAM, and this gives it a fresh start upon rebooting. And I recommend that you flash your memory from time to time through the rebooting method. Coming up next is clearing temporary files on your PC. When you clear temporary files on your PC, this goes a long way to relieve your RAM and also just relieve you some space for your PC. To do this, first, you just have to hold the Windows key and the letter R. Now type temp. These are our temporary log files of your machine. Select everything and delete it. Again, Windows logo key and the letter R. This time around, we are going to type %temp%. Also, these are all temporary files. Select everything here and delete it. And lastly, we use the same Windows logo key and R. This time we type prefetch. Again, we select everything and delete it. The last step for today's video is emptying the recycle bin often. As we clear our temporary files and delete them from our PC, all these files go straight to the recycle bin, and as we empty them, this goes a long way to free out some space on our recycle bin. Now let's check something out from here. Let's look at the storage of this local disk C. Now, let's empty the recycle bin and see what it also does to it. Once again, and as always, thank you so much for watching.